Using cosmetics has been popular since ancient times. Both men and women wore makeup. There were a variety of reasons, including ritual reasons, coping with diseases, and of course beautifying themselves. Today, a good number of cosmetic products are chemical-based, and alcohol plays an essential role. In the old days, however, makeup would be made from minerals, flowers, and animal products. Natural oils were used widely. I designed this video to discuss briefly cosmetics in ancient times. I will also talk a little bit about philosophies that stood behind using these cosmetics. Cosmetics are regularly applied to the eyes, face, lips, and hair. Cosmetics for painting the eyes were often made from malachite and galena. The former is an ore of copper, and it is green-colored. The name is derived from mallow, which means green. The latter is an ore of lead, and it is dark gray. These minerals are found in many parts of the world: Africa, the Middle East, Mexico, China, and Far East countries. In US, malachite is mined in Arizona. Both minerals are toxic. However, unless inhaled, these minerals are considered safe, particularly if they are only touched. So, to make an eyeshadow, people in the old days would obtain malachite stones, grind them, and add egg yolk and water. The result would be a paint that emitted green light and dried fast, and could easily be scraped from the skin. In ancient Egypt, the color green symbolized death, but paradoxically it also meant life. The philosophy was that life and generation involved death. Life and death, in their perspective, constituted a cycle, which could be seen as an analogy to the lunar cycle, wax and wane. The new moon seemed to them to emerge from void, or death. It then evolved to the full moon, and continued until it became void again. The analogy of wax and wane was also associated with the menstrual cycle in humans. Ovulation, and therefore conception and new life, were not possible without menstruation and termination. Another substance that was used for beautifying the eyes was galena, which is a Latin word meaning lead ore. During later times, the word coal was also used to refer to galena. The word might have originally meant blue color, which was another symbol for life and generation. Water and gum were added to coal, and the paste was applied to the upper eyelid. It would be interesting to know that kohl was also used to treat eye diseases. In Middle Eastern languages, kohl is an archaic equivalent for eye medicine. Women in those times also used ochre to paint their faces and lips. Ochre is a mineral, and the word is derived from Greek and means pale. However, in nature, ochre is found in several colors, ranging from yellow to brown and to red, depending on the amount of iron oxide that it contains. Ochre powder was applied to the face and lips. In ancient Egypt, red ochre was used more frequently than other types of ochre because it was abundant there. Also, red color, which was associated with blood, symbolized life. For painting hair, ancient Egyptians used powdered leaves of a tropical shrub called henna. Henna gave hair luster and emitted a brownish or reddish light. As mentioned, red color symbolized life. Henna was also applied to nails, hands, and feet. Henna is still used widely. It is considered having medicinal benefits.